case immediately.
Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. I am Detective Warrant Officer van der Westhuizen, in short, Vessi, from Kariga Stock Theft Unit. I'm currently the acting commander there for the last 3 years. So all the stock theft cases that are open for investigation comes through our office. Our service area consists of the whole Nelson Mandela Metropole, as well as stations on the outside. On the Sarah Baartman district is Kirkwood, Queba, and Addo and Wolfontein Staterville. We have a limited resources, so we would like to be everywhere all the time, but we cannot. So that is where we must shake hands, we must help each other, you must help me.